JK. Kyle, come here.
We got to start the forge, man.
Are you going to say something? Are you going to say something inspiring?
Sure.
Can you turn your head right way?
Well, we're not inside.
We're supposed to have toast and turn it on.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the new home of the forge and everybody that helped to make it a possibility and will continue to benefit from its existence. Cheers.
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 To you.
Cheers.
Fuck Matt and Jason.
Yeah, fuck them.